Dr. Skylar here at Wobeck Chiropractic, and we have baby Michael, who we're gonna check, who we're gonna check his spine and see what's going on. We see babies a lot here. A lot of babies, actually the majority of people being born actually end up with spinal subluxations because birth is actually very traumatic and stressful, especially for their head, neck, and spine. So we want to make sure that we give them a good start to life by making sure that all their nervous system is functioning properly and that their spine is in a proper position. So with babies, adjustments are super duper gentle. Ooh. The amount of force that it takes to adjust a baby is about the pressure you would use to check the ripeness of a tomato. So very light. So a lot of times when we're checking them, it's a lot about symmetry. So we're looking, do they look evenly from one way to the other? Do they have good range of motion? And are their hips moving? Does that feel good? And then we can just check really gently with our hands how their hips are positioned. And we're able to, even with gentle movement, if it's off, like for him, you're a little off on your right side, so just really gentle, we can shift that back into place. And he's very curious and wants to see what's going on. It's also really important, one of the big things with babies that we're looking for is head symmetry. So with a lot of babies, with them sleeping on their backs, puts a lot of pressure on their skulls. And since they're soft, it'll actually kind of create, it's called plagiocephaly, but it'll create a flatness on their head. And with adjustments, we can work with that and kind of get it to pop back out, get more symmetry and roundness. And again, everything's very gentle. See, you're just so curious today. Thank you. So with babies, it's a lot about function and getting them very symmetrical and their bodies communicating properly. And when they're in proper alignment, we'll find that they eat better, they sleep better, they poop better, everything that a baby should be doing. But when they're not, it causes a lot of issues. Really common problems that are, he is just not having this mask. Really common problems for little ones that are pointing to the fact that they might need adjusted are things like colic, sleeping issues, only wanting to feed or eat on one side, GI upset, so really gassy, or reflux. These are all really big warning signs that their spine's out of alignment. So like I said, really super healthy for them to be getting adjusted, keeps their bodies functioning properly. And if you go to our website, you can check out more information about pediatrics and chiropractic. And also we're running a special right now for new patients, so make sure to take advantage of that. But we're looking forward to seeing you in here.